Hi guys, so we're doing another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your skin. Like, mine used to be a bear. Let me do slash night vision right now. Mine used to be a bear, a bear like that, which I built. But I'm going to show you, you can either go on the Skindex or this one, which I prefer this one, but you can always go on this one. I'm going to show you guys the Skindex because I actually know how to do that one. This is still Minecraft, a site where it will not scam you because I've used this before. It won't scam you. I won't take any of your personal information or anything, just your Minecraft username and stuff. But what you do is you pick one. I'm gonna do Kawaii Rainbow, and it will pop up this, which will show the skin right there. It's still loading. So this is what it will look like when it's still loading. Okay, this is what it'll look like. And as you can tell, there's the skin, and if you want to see different backgrounds, make it look better. If you have a picky skin and you want to see how it looks, you can turn it any way you want, so you can see all the way around it. And you click upload to Minecraft, which I'm not gonna do. I'll do it for right now. I'm gonna change my skin automatically back to my other one I have on right now, which is that one. But you put your profile information in, and it's pretty much straightforward from that. You put your email, your password in, you log in, and it changes it, right? So, that's about it. That's all it is. And for the other one, it's pretty much the same thing. This one. So, it's pretty much the same thing, like peaches and cream. It's just a couple of different things. So, let's do moleskins. We'll just do blue gal. What you do is you click on it. You can always do it that way. You hit download, and it will download it, right? Or you hit change. Change is actually better. Download it just to see what it looks like better, so you can see what it actually looks like. If you like that skin, you hit edit. Not edit. Fail. You hit change. I don't know why I accidentally clicked edit. I'm out of my mind today. But you hit change. It brings up this, which this is still the Minecraft official site. And once again, you put your information, right? Which I'm not going to do because I don't want you guys hacking my account or something. But you can also change it, just like the other one. I just accidentally put a blue dot. You can put blue dots, pink dots, anything you want on here. So, as you can tell, I just edited it. This is what it will look like in Minecraft too. It's like that. If I fill this thing up with blue completely, that's how it will look in Minecraft. It will look completely blue. So, yeah, look at that. I just have a blue visor on. Kidding. But, yeah. On the other one, I don't know how to edit it. That's why I like this one better. But, yeah. You can do it any way you want. On the bottom, going back, anywhere. So, that's pretty much it. And then when you do it, I just changed my skin. I'm gonna click on that. Dang it. You click on your Minecraft. You have to log out of your server. And then you have this on. Ignore the banner. And there's the back of mine. Shoutouts to Butter Grenade, by the way, because he's my friend. She's my friend. But yeah, this is how my skin looks. And I think it looks the cutest. I used to have that bear. But I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.